You know they're bad for you. You see the red flags. You feel the anxiety, but you still think about them. You still feel pulled toward them. This isn't weakness, and it's not poor judgment, it's your brain. Toxic relationships are unpredictable, and unpredictability activates your survival system. Your brain treats emotional instability like a potential threat. When someone alternates between warmth and withdrawal, your nervous system goes on high alert. Then when warmth returns, your brain releases dopamine. Relief feels like reward, and reward builds attachment. In these moments, your amygdala activates the part of your brain responsible for detecting danger. At the same time, your prefrontal cortex, the rational decision-making system, becomes less active under stress. You don't choose badly, you react faster than you think. Intensity feels like passion. Emotional swings feel like depth. But your brain isn't chasing love. It's chasing resolution. It wants to predict the next emotional shift so it can feel safe again. You're not addicted to the person. You're attached to the emotional pattern. Your brain learns through cycles. Uncertainty, stress, relief. That loop creates powerful reinforcement. The longer the cycle continues, the stronger the neural pathway becomes. That's why walking away feels physically uncomfortable. Your brain doesn't like unfinished patterns. When you feel pulled back towards someone toxic, pause and ask, is this love? Or is my nervous system trying to close an emotional loop? Understanding the mechanism breaks automatic reaction. Awareness reduces intensity. You weren't weak. Your brain was trying to protect you using outdated survival wiring. And once you see the pattern, you're no longer controlled by it. Still think it's random?